Join me as we assemble Eurochef cooker EGT55-3G1E+E. This cooker comes with its stands, but you have to install for yourself. You install gently but firmly by drilling in the screws, as you can see. The next most important thing is to install top glass lid. This glass is unbreakable and safe to use. First you install the rubber hook, then the metallic hook. Then you drill in the screw, gently but firmly. As you continue to prepare your cooker for proper installation, you put in the burners. Eurochef cookers, their burners are BX burners. This is the highest form of aluminium to facilitate the efficient, outmost conduction of heat. Install also burner caps that are usually enamel coated to facilitate durability and resistance to external effects. Cooker knobs are made of high quality of brushed metal to provide efficiency and durability. To use this cooker, you will need power. You will also need a gas cylinder. You connect gas cylinder to this pipe like behind the cooker. You then place the metallic grills on the worktop gently. The first knob button from right is for the electric plate. The second knob is for the first burner. The third knob is for the first burner from left. The fourth burner is for the last burner from the left. The oven of this cooker has 55 liters capacity. It has both up and down compartment. Has rotisserie to facilitate efficient cooking for your sophisticated meals, example chicken.